Okay, this is the Looking Glass Pro. Looking Glass Go. Testing out the 3D Shoecase. Sorry, Shoecase. Let's just get started. Okay. This is the test image. Screen is looking fine. So you can always load the calibration file. It's all fine. Done. So this is the demo version of the Shoecase. Lighting. And rotation. You can pinch to zoom or zoom out. Let me just zoom in here. Okay. But there's some blurring here at this area. As you can see, it's not so sharp. And then here also. And yeah, not too clear there. And I think it goes to other shoes too. Let's see that. Yeah. So there's some blurriness. Okay, let me just off the lights in my room. There's no reflection coming in play. Yeah, you can see at somewhere near the words, the logo, there's a bit of blurring. It's not as sharp as with the 3D Replica. It's two separate apps. Does the lighting help? I don't know. Yeah. So it's not as sharp here. And some parts here at the front, it's quite a blur. Yeah. Okay, let's try other shoes. Okay, this. Maybe it's the way it's captured, but yeah, this region here, again, you can see that it's not as focused. Let's go to... Yeah, see this back part? Yeah. You can see that this area here and this area here, there's like a band of fadedness. Yeah, it's not sharp. The front here, it looks like it's popping out. That's awesome. Maybe you cannot see it on the camera, but yeah, effects are still great. Okay, let's just go to 3D Replicas. You can see the difference. So compared to the shoes, these images are so much sharper. You don't see as much blurred lines, like, okay, except here maybe, but because it's like popping out. Okay, you don't see it on the video, but from my real life experience or real life perspective, it's coming out of the screen. Let's try something else. But yeah, as you can see, these images, these are more focused, no blurred lines. Look at that. Clarity is so much better. Yeah, and it looks like it's coming out of the box. You can see it? Yeah, when you zoom out, it's like it's out of the box. I can't go any further out. But yeah, it's like eating into the box, into the casing itself. Is it the same with the shoes? Let's try. Yeah, the shoe doesn't have that boxy frame. Except here maybe. Yeah, you can see that it is eating into the virtual case. But yeah, I think around this region and here you can see that it's quite blur. Or is it my eyesight? I hope it's not my eyesight. Let's try another shoe. Something more, yeah, like simple. Okay, this shoe looks fine with the lighting. Yeah, it's not too bad. and it doesn't hurt my eye. That shine there is quite distracting, but I mean it's, oh, I didn't know I could do that. That's interesting. There's a bit of sound effect when it turns fast. Okay, one more shoe. Let's try this. Hey, I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, there's that swirling sound. Yeah, but here you go. Oh, another blurry part. And here, it's not as detailed. Okay, yeah, I think that's all I have in terms of feedback.